Oh hello, I'm going to explain today how you write ionic equations. There are 5 steps that you have to go through. In the first step you need to write the full equation and balance it. For example, this acid and base reaction that gives you salt plus water. This top reaction is balanced. In the second step you're going to add state symbols. Hydrochloric acid is AQ. Sodium hydroxide is AQ, sodium chloride is AQ, and water is a liquid. In the third step, any compound that is aqueous, write down the individual ions. So you've got H plus AQ, plus Cl minus AQ, plus Na plus AQ, plus OH minus AQ, gives us Na plus AQ and Cl minus AQ. In the fourth step you cancel out the same ions left and right of the equation. We've got a chloride ion there, we've got a chloride ion over there, we've got sodium plus there, and we've got sodium plus over there. What you're left with is H plus AQ plus OH minus AQ gives you H2O liquid. Ionic equation done. Let's have a look at the second example. I've already balanced this capital UC equation. Carbonate plus acid gives you salt, water plus CO2. I need to add state symbols. Calcium carbonate is a solid. Hydrochloric acid will be AQ. Calcium chloride will be AQ. Water will be a liquid. And CO2 will be a gas. What I do now is write down all the aqueous ions. So I got 2H plus AQ plus 2Cl minus AQ. That gives me calcium 2 plus AQ and 2Cl minus AQ. Note, I'm not writing down the individual ions for the calcium carbonate, the water and the CO2 that is formed. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cancel out the ions that you find on the left and right hand side of the equation. The Cl minus and the Cl minus. Therefore, my overall equation is going to be calcium carbonate, which is a solid, plus 2H plus AQ gives you calcium 2 plus AQ, water and CO2 as a gas. And this equation is an ionic equation and it is fully balanced.